Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this session, we will build an employee management system using ASP.NET Web Forms, Bootstrap, and AJAX. You will see how to create a clean UI and search employees dynamically. This project includes everything you need for a practical employee management module from database to interface. Let us start with the SQL table structure for storing employee data. In the front end, we will use a search box for real-time search and a model to display employee details. With AJAX, the search results update instantly as you type, no page refresh needed. The UI is handled in ASPX, backend in VB.NET or C#, and AJAX logic through a handler returning JSON data. Now, let us see it in action. As you type, the employee list filters instantly. Clicking on a record opens a detailed model. Welcome to AJAX Employee Search demonstration. This application allows users to filter employee records instantly using both the text input and a department selection drop-down. Initially, the full list of employees is displayed. We begin by using the live search feature. As we type Mary into the name search box, the table immediately filters the results showing only Mary Smith, who is a manager in HR. Next, we demonstrate combined filtering. While searching for Mary, if we select the IT department from the drop-down, the result set becomes empty. As Mary is not in IT, clearing the name search while IT is selected instantly updates the table to show all employees belonging to the IT department, John Doe and James Lee. We can easily switch departments. Selecting sales filters the list to Lucy James, changing the filter to HR shows Mary Smith, and selecting finance display Robert King. Resetting the department filter brings back the full employee list. Finally, let's search for a name fragment, James. The application quickly disappears both Lucy James and James Lee, demonstrating partial string matching. Clearing the search returns us to the default unfiltered view. This seamless real-time updating is achieved using AJAX technology, ensuring a fast, responsive user experience without requiring full-page reloads. This script, named dbemployees.sql, performs four main actions. Create the departments table, creates the employees table, establishing a relationship with the departments. Inserts initial data into departments table, inserts initial data into employees table. This script successfully creates a functional small-scale relational database schema, demonstrating how to define tables, establish primary and foreign keys, and insert initial data. This structure allows users to query information about employees and easily join that data with their corresponding department names. This is the ASPX page structure for employee search.aspx. It includes standard HTML and ASPX directives linking to Bootstrap and jQuery libraries. The page body features a container layout with a header, an input field for searching employees by name, a drop-down list for selecting departments, and a table structure to display the employee results. A hidden loader element is also included to show activity during AJAX request. The file starts with the web handler directive. It includes the necessary namespace, system.data, etc. The main class is employee handler, which implements iHTTP handler. Inside the process request method, it retrieves the database connection string from the configuration manager using the key dbcs. It retrieves an action parameter from the request query string. It initializes SQL connection, SQL command, and an empty data table. The code then checks the requested action. If action equal DPTS, then the query set to CMD. If the action is department, it selects all department IDs and names from the departments table. Otherwise, the default action, likely employee search. It retrieves optional search and DPT parameters from the request. DPT results to 0. It constructs a parameterized SQL command to select employee details by joining the employees and department table. The where clause filters employees where the employee name is like the search term and DPT is 0 or the DPT ID equals a department. It uses cmd.parameters.add with value to secure the query against SQL injection, adding the @search parameter wrapped in wildcards and the @dpt parameter. The second part of the code handles data execution and serialization. SQL data adapter is created using the command and da.fill of dt execute the query and fills the data table. A common pattern for JSON serialization in older ASP.NET handlers is shown, converting the data table into list dictionary. It iterates through each data row in data table. For each row, it creates a new dictionary. It iterates through the columns, mapping the column names as direct dictionary key and the row value as dictionary value. The webconfig file defines the configuration settings for the ASP.NET application. Configuration tag. This section is the connection string. which stores the database connection information referenced by the handler. Then add name is equal to dbcs, connection string is equal to data source, etc. This connection string is named as dbcs, connect to the local SQL server instance, targets the database. The file also includes standard system web settings, etc. In this video, we built a complete employee search module using modern Bootstrap and AJAX inside ASP.NET Web Forms. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.